In this video, I'm going to show you how to import audio in LMMS. Now, if you want to import something like MIDI, you want to go to the top left, click on File, and then from here, go to Import and select your MIDI file. So for example, I have one over here. If I click on it and click on Open, it's going to basically open it up over here as a separate MIDI file, or of course, separate audio. So that's the first way you could do this. However, there's also more convenient ways if you simply have some audio by adding in sample tracks. So go to your song editor, click on this button up here to add a sample track, and then from here you can basically just use this one to actually put in the audio. So to import, click anywhere inside your track. So I'm going to click on here. It's going to pop up a yellow block. Double click this, and from here you can select your audio. If I go to my downloads folder, I have an audio sample over here. It's an OGG file. Down here at the bottom you can see all the file formats this actually supports. Now there's no MP3, as you may have noticed, because you can't actually import MP3 in here. So if you have like an MP3 file, then first you will have to convert it into any of these over here. Now you can do this like using any programs or maybe an online converter. It's usually very simple to do. So just convert that, click on it, press open, and it's going to import your audio into LMMS. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.